On the site of a former textile mill in Lawrence, Massachusetts, 100 employees of Newbalance athletic shoe are turning out 1,300 shoes a day. Most are sneakers, but hiking boots and men's dress shoes are made here too. The company has more than 25 different kinds in production at any given time.
Keith Stilling is the plant manager.
I come from a long line of shoemakers. My father and my grandfather specifically were shoemakers. And I started out in what was effectively the family firm back in Kendal in England as a kid straight out of college. Worked in there, worked on the shoe factory floor and one thing another. And eventually moved into the offices and started to work my way up.
The first step in the production process is to cut pieces from leather or synthetic material. Next, the pieces are prepared for stitching. A computerized sewing machine stitches assembled pieces. Stitching teams finish the upper, making the shoe three-dimensional.
In the assembly area, the soles are wed to the uppers with glue. Completed shoes are cleaned, inspected, and boxed. In each box, the customer will find a tag identifying the team which made the shoes.
Recently, New Balance has changed its production process from a traditional assembly line to a team-oriented approach. The factory now produces the same number of shoes in 2 days that it used to make in 6 weeks.
In the old-fashioned piecework environment, you used to have rows of machines, rows of people sitting behind those machines, often with long conveyor belts delivering the parts to them and taking the parts away again. And what that forces on the people is it forces almost a robotic mentality. They're purely a piece of a machine.